Hey guys, I have a problem with this fire pit cover. Every time it rains, it collects all this extra water on the top. Gotta end up dumping it out. It makes the cover really dirty. So I want to use my Elegoo Giga Storm to create a solution for this. So what I plan on doing is measuring out this fire pit and then creating a sort of brace across the top here. And that way I can prevent the water from pooling up, and it should just naturally just drip off the sides. So here's my setup with my Elegoo. What I did is I swapped this bar with the back bar. So these are on the front, makes it a lot easier. Got the bearing here if I'm running the larger spool rollers. And works great. So it's about to print up this piece. It's about 2-foot diameter ring to keep the water off the top of the fire pit cover. But yeah, if you have an Elegoo, best thing to do is swap this and that. I did make a 3-pin extension cable over there, you can see, and printed out these little slot covers, and that just runs up here, so I'm able to print the filament, hook up the filament run sensors here. So pretty cool. Alrighty, it's completed printing. I just gotta turn right off, which is nice. I'll remove those rims later. Maybe I'll add 2 more there.
So this is the revised version. It is took a little longer. I think around 9 hours. Pulled it right off. I'll have to remove these. I did a slightly less important